Welcome. My name's Brian Knight and I live near Melbourne in Australia. And it's nearly 5 o'clock in the morning. It's 4:59 um, on a Friday. Um, yeah. And so let me share this to start with. So welcome to this live Forex analysis session. Just note that any trades discussed in this group have to be classed as educational only. And that's because we're a group of people helping each other and we're not financial advisors. So please only take trades that you're happy to take based on your own analysis. There is a full risk disclosure, a little bit about us as live session traders. And yeah, that's where it's at. Uh, there's my trading platform. Still up probably about 2% or whatever it is. There's Euro USD slightly neg and it's 42 pips down on AUD CAD. But everything else is positive. And this CHF JPY is still, it's nearly, I don't know, 450 pips. Anyway, okay, let me stop sharing that. Share across onto charts. Right, so here we are. AUD CAD added into it for a sell. It did come down here, got down to that much. It's slowly pulled itself back up here. Now, it may come up and break that top. We'll just see how we go. Look at Tom. Um, yeah, get himself some. They AUD cat got in over here somewhere. Went positive on me, then it's pulled back up again. Um, I'd say Tom's in the buy on that, so turned here and up she went. Anyway, welcome, Tom.
All right. Hey, Brian.
You there?
Yeah.
Mm. Well, there's the AUD cat anyway. Doing us pull back
Yeah, I
up.
was in that. I got out actually.
Oh, okay. You reckon it's going to turn or?
Yeah, I don't know. I just didn't like it. I feel like
Oh,
I'm being
okay.
lied to.
I love it. Okay. AUD CHF. It's pushed up a little bit too. See it drop off. See what happens there. If we get a yellow or not. A week, and I'm not too fussed with it. It's like this week, it's sort of things have just changed direction a little bit. See whether this following week, whether it will continue in the original direction or not. Okay. Well, you can, I'll just say here. So you can see where it's like lower low, high, low, high, low, and now it hasn't created a lower low, which is a bit like, well, are we ready to turn? Will it fail here at the trend bar and then start to drop off? We'll find out. It's okay. AUD JPY is still pushing up. It's lovely. It'll probably break that high up here. Pull back a bit and then go back up. AUD, NZD. Well, that was a little unexpected. It hasn't got a, we haven't got a yellow here yet, though. It did pull up, pull back down, giving us a red wick. So hopefully it'll kick in and sell out. Um, what are your thoughts, Tom?
Well, I'm buying on the higher time frame, so on the daily I'm buying.
Yeah, okay.
On the lower time frame, I'm just waiting to get triggered in with the buy. So it may pull back down to here, which is would be great where you have it,
Yeah, and then buy back up, you reckon?
and then buy back up again.
Mm,
So
mm.
on the higher time frame, I have uh, a buy limit on it,
Yeah, okay.
and on the lower time
Hmm.
frame, I have a sell set up. So it just depends on which triggers in first,
Yeah, okay. And then whether you jump out or not, either
right?
either. Right, yeah. Okay, AED Singapore, which you don't trade, and it's taken off. I think it's about ready to turn. We'll see whether we get a yellow here or not. It just broke that high a little bit. I think it's going to sell. AED USD, which is 1 year. That's remarkable how that's pushed off like that.
AUD USD.
Yeah. Mm.
Yep.
Oh, we got it'll be non-farm payroll next week, won't it? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Gee whiz, look at that weakness. Look at all the way from down here. Overtime's just kept pushing up. It just kept that trend. That's the thing. We'll get a pull back and then potentially push back up again. See if we get a yellow here. You haven't worked out the width of the indicator yet.
Mm-hmm.
You haven't worked out what the width, the wide of the indicator is to what it may mean.
No, and frankly, I don't care.
No. Okay. No, it doesn't matter. I'm just how my brain works.
Yeah, because see, look down there to your left. Down there to your left is like three of them across.
Yeah,
Yeah, I don't know.
it's okay. It doesn't matter. We just wait to see what we see. We've got plenty of time. Any of
Yeah,
these
exactly.
trades, they're just, sitting and hanging. All right, CAD CHF. You haven't, yeah, you're staying in that still.
Oh yeah.
Oh, oh, that looks like it's going to push back up a little bit, maybe.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Doesn't like this down here, does it? That's double bottom. You get
Not yet.
double
I
top
still,
up
I
there.
still think
It's
it's going to
still,
grab that bottom.
yeah, I think it's still going to take it out. Yeah. It's just going sideways at the moment. Okay. Alrighty, KJ. Still in the buy on that. It's just playing around as well. Look at it here. Has a high, has a low, and then just finishes up in the middle. Doesn't want to do too much. Oh, there's an interest rate decision coming up. Bank of Canada probably won't do anything though. See. All right, CHF JPY. I'm in a buy on that as well. Well, that's good. You get a change. Lovely. Push up, break the high. Keep it going. That'd be good. All right, you're AUD. What have you got to say about this?
Nothing. I'm already out.
Oh, you're out. Okay.
Yeah, I took those profits and walked.
For the sell.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, because it's come back to the trend line now. Okay.
So
That's
now,
cool.
so now I'm expecting it to turn around
Yeah, yeah. Pull
push
up,
back
not
up,
not
break
break the
those
higher.
two.
I'll break those two. You want?
Yep, it's going to sweep that liquidity. And you see
Yeah,
that brick right there in the middle, go to your
yeah.
left just slightly, the two bricks just above it,
Oh, these two. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
those two right there.
Uh
I'm
huh.
looking for it to come up here, plant a gold box there, and then start dropping off.
Yeah. Okay.
Or it's going to come up, tap that white line, give me a wick, and away we go. Either way, I'll be in the trade. I'm just waiting for the right time to get in.
Yeah. What's some of the Euro stuff? Oh, kept it on hold. Okay, the rate's 2.15. Okay, lovely. All right, that's good. You're a CAD. Oh, that took off. Ooh, break that. It does cook him up. Okay. I think you're a bit late to get in that now. Bloody hell. Oh, well, we'll see. All right. You're a CHF. Have you got that one, Tom?
Yeah, I just got in. It just triggered me in, but I'm already not liking it.
Okay. Yeah, it
But I'm
is
sticking
pretty
with it.
at the
I I
moment.
just, I just think we're going to get one more push down.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
think I'm just in early.
Yeah, yeah. And then we'll get a proper push up. They're
It's going
just
to go
playing with
sideways
us,
here for a
mate.
minute.
They're just playing with us. That's all they're doing.
Mm-hmm.
All right, then. Oh, you're ready to get out if you need to anyway, so that's all right. You're a GBP.
In fact, you know what?
What?
I'm out.
Oh, okay.
That easy.
I know. Life's pretty easy when it does those two things. Right, so this is broken high. Ooh, okay, it's going to take that out as well. Hmm. I think it's going to keep going up too. Hmm. All right, okay. That one will need to look at Euro JPY. That's great. Thank you. Keep going. 6% on that one. Wow, I thought it would have pulled back by now, but no. The Euro's got some strength at the moment. Just, even against like the Euro GBP to have that push, it's a match of both, but yeah. Euro NZD. Hmm. It just comes to the trend bar and then we get potentially to the buy. I'll just follow that one. Euro Singapore, that's pushed up, not you traded. Euro USD. Okay. Is this the point it wants to turn? I don't think so. I think this is going to come up and break the top. It'll come up here. You're not in this one, Tom?
Mm-mm.
Okay. All right. GA. It's still going down. Bloody hell. Okay, well, will it settle out here and then start going back up again? Will it go and break that one and go further? Yeah, it's not the time to be playing with that one at the moment either. Incredible sell on that. Like the British pound is really not doing well at all. Okay. GBP CAD. A lot of sideways going on here. Look at it. Look at the clump up in here. No. Doesn't want to break there. So let's see if it can get enough energy to push back up. But the pound has been on the nose for quite a while. All of this back into June, about a month ago. All right, GBP CHF. I'm in the sell. Oh, it's pulled up just a little bit. Okay, but there's a change on. Okay, looking like it's going to sell back down. Is this the bottom out? We'll only find out when it does. Okay. GJ. Again, there's a whole lot of pairs that I'm not certain of whether they've peaked and they're going to change direction. Like this, so looks like it's pushing back up. Anyway, GBP NZD.
Yeah, I just got in this one too.
Sell.
Hmm.
And you
I'm
reckon
gonna
you're a
let
bit
this one
late?
run for just a minute.
Yeah, I know. I was going to say that. Oh, yeah, no, look, you got a wick here. That's all right. It's a little bit of comfort in that. That's not too bad, is it? All right.
Well,
GBP.
if
Yeah,
this is the dead end,
yeah, yeah,
yeah, because it's coming down to these
yeah,
two bricks here. So if
yeah,
it's
yeah,
gonna turn, I'm looking for the
yeah.
turn
And then
before
get
it
the buy
breaks
back up.
this.
Okay.
So you know
You're
what
just
I
gonna
mean?
you're just gonna grab a bit as it goes down and then get out and then work out whether you get back in coming up.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. GBP Singapore, which you don't trade, that's okay. Oh, did a quick turn back down again. Okay. GU. All right. Now that did a turn as well. That's come off. This might be a good one to get into. Sell out of that. Might just come back down here. Looks like it's sitting there, isn't it? All right. Look at that after spread settle. NZD CAD. Right. Just like the Aussie dollar, hey? Will it take that out? All right. CAD's a bit weak at the moment. All right. NZD that pushed up as well. Let's wait and see. At this point, it might turn. It's changed the trend bar though. Mm. Yeah. Okay. We're looking for ones that have a lot more certainty, don't we, Tom? I mean, it's NZD keeps pushing up. That's good. I'm in that. That's like 3%. I think it'll break the top. We'll see. Hopefully. And I'm not in, but that should have been in. Yeah,
I'm still
that's
in
good
this one. I'm up almost 4%.
for the buy. Yeah. Do you think it'll break the top?
Yep.
Okay, good.
I think we're going for a ride.
Yeah, okay. Lovely.
Because on the daily time frame,
Hmm.
it looks like it's gonna shoot.
Okay. All right. Singapore, Japanese yen, I'm in that. That's going well too. Came back and now it's up 2% on that. Got a nice turn. Let's see. I think that'll probably break top too. All right, UCAD. Oh, oh yeah, no, it's doing a little push up at the moment. Let's see. It might just come to the trend or over it and then back down. Ultimately, I think it's a sellout. So, oh, look at this though.
Hmm.
Is this the point it's now going to start pushing back up? Maybe because of the CAD. Okay. USD CHF. Yeah, it pulled up a little bit on me
I just got in this one
for the sell. Yeah.
for the buy.
Oh, really?
Hmm.
Nah.
Okay.
Well, good. Yeah, there will be a bit of buy, but I think you're ready you're at the ready to dump it off anyway. So now I think I just pull up it and say this this low, then pushed up, made another sort of higher low, pushed up, dropped down, and again it's another higher low. It's a little suspect, but I think also too, I think USD still not doing that well. EUJ show you
I'm
a
in this
little
one.
bit. You're in the buy now.
I'm in the sell. I'm up
Oh,
almost 3%.
oh yeah, but you got that. That's right. But I think it's now bouncing off there and it's going back up. Going back up. All right, USD and Singapore. Hmm, okay. Selling out with gold at 3.3. It's come back a little bit. Okay. And silver just sitting at the top up there. Okay, we've got no yellow. Hmm, we might get it. We'll just see. All right, Bitcoin nearly 120. It's crazy, isn't it? Yeah. And US oil's come up slightly, 66. It really is just sitting around that whole range, that sort of 70 to 64, just sitting in there going up and down. It looks like it's taken off at the minute, but not anything. I don't know. I mean, that's the thing. You're lucky enough, Tom, to make a decision. You just jump on the bus, let it go as far as it needs. If it decides to stop and
Exactly.
turn, you just get out. So,
Exactly.
mm,
Even if it looks like it's going to turn, I still
yeah,
get out because I can always take one brick. As if it, for
yeah,
example,
yeah, 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 yeah.
you see the blue all the way up, all the way up, all
Yep,
the way up,
yep,
and then it
yep,
turns white.
yep.
At any point, I can always just go. I'm going to take that third white candle down, one,
Yeah,
two,
yeah.
three, and I'm going
Three.
to take
Yeah,
that brick right there.
yeah, yeah,
And then when it triggers me in, I can move it up to the blue gold at the top
yeah, yeah.
and let it run. If I lose, what am I losing really? I mean, it's
No,
going to
no,
come
yeah,
back
yeah, I
into my
know.
entry and knock me out.
Yeah. So yeah, so do you put a break even at entry once it's moved?
No, I usually get out before it ever comes back.
Yeah, okay. Mm.
Like now, if I was in this trade and it was going down like
So
this,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
uh,
You'd be out because it's now just done a yellow and pulled back up and made a
well,
brick.
no, I would wait till the trend line turns blue,
Yeah, okay.
bounces around, and then starts pulling back up. Then I would consider getting out.
Okay. Mm.
And also, I'm only doing, frankly, anymore. I'm just doing whatever the chart shows it's
So
gonna,
yeah.
you know.
Unless you're
So
not comfortable and then you're just either waiting or
if you're
if
not
you're
comfortable, you're
yeah,
not
yeah, yeah.
sure what you're doing.
Correct. Yeah.
So I'm willing to take a bigger trade on smaller portions because if I lose one brick, that's 1%, but I only
Yeah.
need to gain two bricks to double my money.
Yeah. Yep.
So if you look in here at every single gold brick, every single one of them,
Yeah.
you get at least 2 bricks.
Yeah. Yeah.
Even on the short one up at the top to your left,
Yeah.
you see where those 2 gold bricks are? That's still 2 bricks.
Yeah. Well,
To your
yeah.
left. To your left. One more. So that gold brick, and then 1, 2 bricks below it, and then 1, 2 bricks above it,
Yeah.
one,
Above it.
two
Yeah.
bricks above it, goes back
Yeah.
down.
Yeah.
You know
Yeah.
what I mean? And it's just
Yeah.
so if I'm doubling my money every time I get a brick or just breaking even,
Yeah.
what do I care?
No, that's
Eventually,
right.
I'm
You
going to get
still,
one that goes,
yeah.
15,
Yeah.
15
Like
or
that
20
one.
bricks.
Like that one there.
Right,
Yeah.
exactly. So
Yeah.
I'm just timing them to the color of the
Trend line.
direction,
Yeah.
obviously, and the
Yeah.
color.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
as the colors come up, failed to make a new high, that brick right there in the middle.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
No, the see the very high, and then the next gold bar down to your right,
Yeah.
to your right. Yeah, that one. So you can see where it failed to break the top brick.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
There's your last high,
Yeah.
straight
Yeah.
across from that.
Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Yep. And then it off it goes down. Changes here.
Right. So quick way to do this is not to miss these every single time. The way I do it, I use my fib from the high where that red
Oh
wick
yeah.
is
Yeah. 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 I'll get a fib. Hang on. Yeah. From high. Yeah. To where?
to the first push. There you go. And don't use the wick, use the body.
Oh, on this one.
Yeah. Okay, so all you're watching for, the only thing you're watching for is anything above the 6.9.
Yeah. Okay.
Do you see where it says 6.9 on there?
I've only got the 75.50. Yeah. I can.
Okay, can you go into your fib and change that?
Yeah. Sure.
You don't need the 2.5,
Yeah.
the
No.
half, or
No.
the 7 You're looking
Yeah.
for the 619. You may have to pick one and change the number. Okay, now
Yeah.
change. Wait. So go in and change that color to some color you like to see. I'd make it a bright color so it stands out.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now save that.
I'll just do this in a minute. Yeah.
Okay, so exact same thing, right?
Mm-hmm.
So as this pushes down, you take the first push down. Wherever it pulls back to the 619, you're
Yeah.
in.
Yeah.
Bam, you're looking for a short. The
Yeah.
the indicator itself, you see the blue indicator with the white turn?
Blue indicator at the white turn.
Your trend line, your
There.
CM trend
Yeah.
line. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Just there.
Okay, so you're watching that. And the reason being is if this had pulled down and turned, the indicator as it's pushing up, the indicator is going to go across that 619 telling you we're pushing up.
Yeah. Okay.
If it goes below the 619 and closes and you see this turn white, get into the short. So the
Yeah.
exact same thing. Can you grab another one of those, please? Or
Another
duplicate it?
fib.
Yeah.
Another fib. Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Okay, now drag it down to the bottom, but you want the all the way to the bottom, except you want the top to be the bottom now.
Yeah, no worries. Can do.
Just hit reverse. There you go. Perfect. Okay, so then pull this back up to the first push. No,
That way.
no, down, down, way down, way down. There's your first push. See it in the middle?
Oh yeah, yeah, from here back up there, yeah, where it comes back
Correct.
down here.
Okay, so all you're
Yeah,
looking for now, because it's out of that zone,
yeah, yeah.
you're looking for the trend lines to keep pushing down. You want it to beat.
Mm. Yeah, yeah. So now it's pushed up. It comes down to past 61.9, then pushes back up again, doesn't break the high, and then pushes back down. Okay.
Right. So because it's white, the trend line is white,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
you're looking at this still shorting,
Yeah, correct.
right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So now take your fib, that same fib, go into the reverse.
This one, yeah.
Yeah. So because we believe it's still going to short because that trend line is white, right?
Yeah. Comes back to 61.9.
We
And
watch
then
it
and
until
then
it
and then
comes
turn.
down
Yeah, yeah.
underneath the 619 at the bottom,
Yeah, yeah,
turns
yeah.
colors because we're assuming we're still selling.
Yeah, yeah.
Your trend line's still white.
Yeah.
When that trend line turns blue
Yeah.
underneath the 619, you flip your fib
Mm-hmm.
and the trend line has to stay above the 619.
Yeah, yeah. So you're flipping from one way to the other, to the other, to the other. You just keep flipping it back and forward.
Right.
Yeah, yeah, with whatever the movement is. Yeah. Okay. Mm. Mm. Okay. But you can see that without the fib anyway, can't you?
No, no, you
No,
can't.
you don't think so?
No.
Mm.
Unless you've used it a million times and are used to it. No.
Yeah. Well, true, but I can see it, but that's okay. Mm. Okay. Yeah, it's coming up now.
So when it pulls back up, boink, 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 when it comes to the 619 area,
Yeah. And it'll be nearly close to the trend bar then anyway, too.
right. And that's why you want to have the fib at the high.
Yeah, yeah.
And because it's pulling back, you want to make sure it's not going to go past the 619.
We are dealing with oil here, so it tends to be a bit of a different animal. They don't like it to drop down too much. Mm. Mm. Okay, Tom. Right. Mm. That's interesting. All right then. Well, that's today, mate. That's my Friday, your Thursday. A little bit longer for the market, 24 hours or so. Um, let's keep watching this one here. Anyway, there's a few I'd like to take. I'll get back today. Got a couple of errands to do, but we'll see how it goes.
All right.
Which comes back, the way you're trading too. It's making sure that you Well, at least two, maybe even three times a day, check in.
Right.
Okay.
I mean, this time's dead because the markets,
Yeah, yeah. It's
all
yeah,
the traders have gone home.
yeah, yeah. It's all at the end of New York and it's
Right.
waiting to change over to Sydney Asian. Yeah. Mm. Yeah, it's done. It's done what it needed to do, and now they're getting ready to, yeah, change over. I'll wait until after spreads anyway, which is convenient for me because I just go and do my bus round. I don't get back until 9:30 here, my time in the morning, which means, 7 o'clock it's the changeover. So things tend to have settled down by that point. Then I can make a decision what I want to do then. Yeah. All right. I wonder how young Darren's going. We'll get the update when we do.
I'm sure.
Yeah. Yeah. All right then. Well, you have a good weekend, and hopefully I'll see you just before market opens. Your Sunday.
Yeah, we'll see you Sunday.
No worries, mate. Take it easy.
All right.